How to see interactions on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on your activity, and here you want to click on interactions. You will land on this page right here, from which you will be able to see all of your account interactions, such as comments, likes, story replies, as well as reviews. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and check your Instagram interactions. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.